artists. Let's paint the world with colors. Choose a color. Red? Yeah, let's paint. Next color, please. Blue? What a choice. Now, which color next? Green? Such a treat!
You did amazing, little artist. See you in next part with more colors. Bye bye.